Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to cook X2 spicy noodles. First, get your instant noodle packet, about 2.5 cups of water, and any toppings you desire, like a perfectly cooked soft-boiled egg or some freshly chopped green onions. Next, set a medium-sized saucepan on your stovetop, ensuring it is clean and ready. Preparing all your ingredients beforehand makes the cooking process much smoother and more enjoyable for everyone. Once your saucepan is ready, pour in the 2.5 cups of water. Bring this water to a vigorous, rolling boil over high heat, ensuring it's bubbling nicely. Carefully add the dry noodle block into the boiling water, submerging it completely. Cook the noodles for approximately 3 to 5 minutes, stirring gently every now and then until they reach your preferred tender, chewy consistency. Now, carefully drain most of the water from your saucepan, leaving just about 8 tablespoons with the noodles. This helps create a rich, flavorful sauce. Open the liquid spice packet and pour its fiery contents directly over the cooked noodles. If your packet includes dried vegetable flakes, add those in as well. Stir everything together very thoroughly, ensuring every strand of noodle is coated in that delicious, intense sauce. Once your intensely spicy noodles are perfectly mixed, carefully transfer them into your favorite serving bowl. This is where your pre-prepped toppings really shine. Arrange them artfully on top, perhaps a soft-boiled egg, some fresh green onions, or a sprinkle of toasted sesame seeds. For an extra touch of aroma, consider a small drizzle of sesame oil. Serve your delicious creation immediately and enjoy its amazing, fiery flavor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.